everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm sorry the girls are out. I'm not even code. But yeah, my name is Asia. I'm a 24-year-old stay-at-home mom. Today I'm 39 weeks pregnant and it hurts down there. I think I'm having contractions. So I'm about to pack my hospital bag because the bag is still not packed. I know, you're thinking, why the fuck isn't your bag packed? You're 39 weeks. I had a lot going on, okay? I just moved. I just moved. That was my only excuse. I did have time to pack, but I had a lot going on, okay? I'm big, I'm pregnant. I don't feel like doing all that. Do I get points for having my bag packed well in advance with my first kid? But I know I should have been had my bags packed, but it's whatever. I got it done. I didn't forget nothing. I was good. My clothes are like right next to it, but it's not packed. So I'm gonna do my edges because I'm tired of looking bummy on camera. So we're finna change that.
Hi.
Hi, baby.
I wake up.
You wake up finally. It's late. Daddy making you some food.
Mommy, Daddy, she's making some food.
Yeah, he is making some food. Oh. Okay. I need to start timing now. And I feel like I have to pee every 2 seconds. I just went to go pee. We're in the closet now. Oh. Okay. Shit. What the fuck is this? Oh. I can't even think straight. Okay. What the fuck is this? Okay, so this bag, oh wow, this bag still has a lot of stuff in it. I'm not even taking no underwear, to be completely honest, because I'm gonna be in diapers. I don't even think they're contractions. It's just like cramping in my vagina. Ow. I'm taking this duffel bag and like my stuff is right here. So I was gonna wear this for my going home outfit, but I'm like, girl, you're finna be in a diaper. These are tight leggings. I'm gonna take this little bra. It's easy to just pop a boob out. I had that when I was with Ava, when I was breastfeeding Ava. This is just a shirt. So I have 2 going home shirts. It's hot out here in Arizona. So this is like a little crop top. This is another crop top too. But it won't show as much as my stomach. I have a dress for going home. I'm not gonna wear that shit either. I'm probably gonna wear these pants because they're big enough to cover my diaper booty. Because like I said, me and my son are gonna be twinning. We're both gonna have diapers. Diaper booty gang. This with whatever shirt I feel comfortable wearing. Another little bra thingy. I don't own any real bras. I threw all of them away because 1, I don't wear them. And 2, they're uncomfortable. Maybe that's why I don't wear them. But anyway, we're gonna put that in there. I'm really not gonna take any underwear, which is really crazy to me because I never go anywhere without underwear. But I'm gonna be bleeding so much, I might either have a big old pad on or a diaper. Like I'm so serious. I'm hardcore diaper. So that's my going home outfit. 2 shirts, 2 bras to choose from, and those pants. As far as the time that I'm gonna be staying there, oh shit, I need shower shoes. Because just in case I want to labor in the shower and when I want to take a shower, I want shower shoes. I think I have them. I think they're up there. My fiance needs to get it down. Babe, when you have a minute, can you come get something for me? It's something I can't reach. Okay, I'm gonna take this silk outfit because it's a button down. I have another little outfit that I can wear. it'll be easy for me to get my boobs out. That. I threw so much stuff away. I think I threw all of my little shower shoes. Wow, I was not thinking. I'm not gonna be in that motherfucker barefoot. I don't care. I don't have any shower shoes. I'm gonna go in there with my Yeezy slides. Shower shoes are gonna be the Yeezy slides. It is what it is. Okay, so yeah. Some silk shorts. The silk top, it's a button down, which will be easy for me to breastfeed. Now white is probably not the best color since I'm gonna be bleeding everywhere. I'm honestly probably gonna be pantsless. I'm gonna have a blanket on me. I'm probably not even gonna have no pants on. So this is the same exact thing but just in pink. Probably not even gonna be there for that long. Shorts. These shorts are like really stretchy, really comfortable. And this shirt, it's not even really a shirt, it's like a crop top. Well, it's a crop top on me now because I got such a big belly. So yeah, boom, we're gonna pack that. So that's 3 little outfits that I can wear throughout the night. I want to take a shower or whatever, I could take a shower, and I still got some stuff. But I feel like I don't need any more clothes. I think I should bring a robe maybe, just in case I get cold. Okay, no, I don't. I have a robe, but I'm not gonna bring a robe. Shit. So I got this. It's super soft. I just washed it. Boom. For when I get cold. So I'm not gonna be under the covers the whole time. You know what I mean? Like, you can't put this part under covers. So okay, that. And it's white, so it'll go with every outfit that I brought. Now for the little guy, I'm probably gonna bring 2 white onesies. I'm gonna do 3. For his going home outfit, I don't know. It might be hot. We might be going home at nighttime. So if we're going home during the day, I'm gonna put this on him. And then, of course, he'll have blankets on him. But I don't want him to be too hot, because everything else that I have for the little guy is long sleeves, like everything else that I'm gonna bring, because it's cold in them hospitals. So these are the other options. All dinosaur shit already, but they're neutral colors, so I like it. I'm putting our stuff in the same bag, and I'm also gonna bring a diaper bag because I'm taking all of the diapers for him. I'm taking all of the diapers for me. I'm taking all of the wipes. I'm taking everything that I can, and I don't care what you have to say about it. Boom. This is another one. Look at the toes. It's so cute. Another going home outfit. Or if he's cold, like in there. It's just so I have it for just in case. JIC purposes. This one too, it's just a simple gray one. That's that on that. That's all he needs probably. I'm gonna take some socks for him because some little feet be getting cold because blood don't be pumping there. It be pumping to all the important spots. So we're gonna keep his feet nice and warm. I have a burp cloth, but I'm gonna keep it here. I am gonna bring a little blanket for him. Do I want to though? Because when I get home, I'm gonna want to wash it because we were at the hospital. That's fine. I'll just wash it when we get home. Now I'm gonna get all of my facial products that I need because I feel like that's all he needs. I'm breastfeeding, so he don't need no bottles or no formula. Even if I wasn't, they got it there. So far, this is everything. He has multiple outfits. He has a blanket. We should be good. Yeah. Don't mind my bathroom. Just don't even look at it, okay? I'm leaving these up here because I have to do a video for them and I don't want to forget about it. I'm just going to put this in that bag like this. This is where all my facial products are going to be in. I need this to be closed. Okay, so we got some Cetaphil face wash. I'm going to take a hair tie, even though I can wrap this up without a hair tie. I'm just going to take it just in case. I need toothpaste. I have a toothbrush. I really want to do my edges. I already know that. So this is low-key empty. So I'm going to take some of this and put it into here. And I'm going to put it in here because it's a smaller container. Take some lip gloss. No, that'll be in my purse. I have lip gloss in my purse. You know what? I'm probably gonna put this in my purse. These glow serums. I'm gonna take some deodorant. Is that it? I think that's it. So yeah, I have all of my face stuff, my tooth things, things I don't brush my teeth with, edge control. And that's it, I think. Oh, socks. It hurts. Ouch. Some socks for me. Boom. I want to be cute. I want like some earrings in my ears. And then like I'm gonna be sitting around not doing much. So like I can do my lashes. See, now I'm doing too much. Oh, I need lotion. I'm gonna take his lotion because this is better than this in a bag. I honestly should take the baby's lotion and use the baby lotion since he's gonna be on me. But this should be fine. I'm trying to think of like what else do I need. I'm gonna go online and get a checklist because I feel like I'm gonna take this body wash. I need to go get some body wash anyway, so while I'm there, I'm gonna get like a travel size body wash as well. That's it for now. I'm about to go eat and sit my ass down because my tummy hurts. I hope they don't send me home. Oh, you okay? The other one is coming. I hope I'm like 8 centimeters by now. I just feel so short. The baby. Everybody in this motherfucker sleeping like they was the ones who was in labor. I'm gonna have the pediatrician.